You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase, the name of this French menswear brand. If you want to learn more fashion names that are confusing, like Louis Vuitton and such, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to watch. French pronunciation, drôle de monsieur. The meaning is what a curious man, essentially, what a curious sir. Drôle, it means either funny or strange, curious. Drôle de monsieur. Monsieur is French for a man or a sir. So, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, if you cannot say drôle de monsieur, the French pronunciation, just say in English, drôle, just like, drôle, I guess, drôle de monsieur. Monsieur has a very misleading spelling. It's pronounced monsieur. Drôle de monsieur, or in English, drôle de monsieur. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.